Go ahead.
So, quick note on how to get 8 masks out of a single large or extra large or on up t-shirt for men. So you get, what I'll do is I'll show you how to do it or how it looks drawn out, and then I'll show you how to do it on another t-shirt. So first things first, this is what a t-shirt template looks like. This is 2 masks, this is 2 masks, this is 2 masks. Each sleeve makes a mask, and cutting out of this piece that's left over are the straps for the sleeve. With that being said, I'm going to turn this way. We may move back and forth a couple of times, and I'm going to do this on this green t-shirt. Sharp scissors are a must. I can't even express that enough. And this is not an exact measurement. I usually lay my hand like this, and that's where I start my cut. One. And you can see there's no perfectionist about this. This is just eyeballing it for a mask. And then this one is a little shorter than this one was, so I can come right here. And this is good because I can stress each one's a slightly different size. That does not matter. Next, I'm going to take the sleeves and just cut them off. And then my straps. One. Two. All right. So for each one of these masks, I'm only going to cut one, but for each one of these masks, you're just going to make a giant U. Again, come into about the width of your hand. And then the little bottom, just cut them. Once those are cut, then you can see you have 2 masks. Okay, so that's how to make that part. For the sleeve, I'll set 2 straps aside with the sleeve here. For the sleeve, it's going to lay this way, and obviously use t-shirts that aren't all stained in the pits. Tracy's weird humor. These are going to become ear masks, essentially. I don't tie them super tight, so as people get them, they can kind of adjust it if they need to. But for the most part, t-shirts are stretchy enough that it's not a problem. Let me do this. Okay, so as much as I hate to be on camera, for the first mask, we're going to do this. You can see how it works. So right here. My ponytail's in the way. Hide my double chin. I know who this is going to. And then tie this one down here and you have a mask. The nice thing is for large outbreaks or whatever, this is something they can use regularly. It's a good recycling project. Okay, so that's one. I actually keep some of those in my van, and when I do something with my other masks, I always have a t-shirt mask handy. Then this is the sleeve and the ear holes, just right over the ears. And again, you've got a perfect face mask. That's 8 masks out of 1 large t-shirt. I think that's fantastic. Now, as an added bonus, if somebody wants to, these make great baby bibs. So this is the template I'll be giving you. This is how they work, and I'll show you when you get here too.